Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So today is the day 2 of the Durga Puja series and today I'm gonna create this stunning look. Oh my god, it turned out so beautiful. मैं ना खुद को पहचान नहीं पा रही हूँ because it looks very different and oh my god, it's gorgeous. Let me know if you guys like it or not in the comment section below. Now to create this look, I have only used 7 products. I haven't used any concealer today and yeah, just 7 products to create this gorgeous look. You guys should watch this video. Okay, I think that is it for the intro. Let's just begin with the tutorial. I'm going to start with the primer, and today I'm using the Mars Glow Clock Primer. It just gives that beautiful glow and it is also very sticky, so it sticks on the foundation very well and lasts really long. So for my foundation today I'm using the Huda Beauty Fox Filter Foundation. It is a high coverage foundation. The shade I'm using is Butter Pecan. I'm not using any concealer, so that is why I'm using this as my concealer as well and applying it under my eyes, over my eyes to cancel out the pigmentation. Right now to set my face, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation. The shade I'm going for is NC40. It has a beautiful coverage. I'm going to apply this all over my face and especially on my under eyes and also on my eyelid. Now for my contour, blush, highlight, eyebrows and also for my eye makeup, I will be using the Tan Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is All I Need eyeshadow palette. So for contour, I'm going to mix Workaholic and Nectar and apply that on my jawline, my cheekbones and also contour my nose. Next, I'm going to take the shade Bed of Roses for my blush. I'm going to apply it very gently and it just gives that beautiful color. Before moving on to the highlighter, I'm gonna set my face using the Smashbox Primer Water. Now for my highlighter, I'm gonna mix highlight and cast a spell and I'm gonna apply it on my highest points of my face. Alright, now moving on to my brows, I'm gonna mix Kohl and Pow Wow and I'm gonna use my Faces Canada eyebrow brush to fill in my eyebrows. Now it's time for eye makeup. The first shade I'm gonna go with is Pow Wow. I'm gonna take it on a smudger brush and apply it as a winged eyeliner on the outer corner of my eye. Then I'm gonna take a small blending brush and I'm gonna take the shade Workaholic and I'm just going to blend it further and extend the wing. Now I'm gonna take the shade Workaholic on my crease as well. I'm using a blending brush to blend it out. Now for my eyelid, I'm using the shade Bonfire using a brush and then I'm using my finger to intensify it. And for my inner corner, I'm using the shade Cast a Spell and it just looks so beautiful. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna use the same crease shades I used and just blend it out really nicely. Lastly, to complete the look, I'm using a mascara. This is the L'Oreal Paradise Mascara. I'm also going to set my brows using the same mascara. You can definitely skip falsies. Now for my lipstick, I'm using the Nykaa So Matte lipstick in the shade Jane. It's a beautiful and gorgeous shade and this is the final look. Okay, so this is the final look. Let me know if you guys like it or not. I absolutely loved it. I think it's one of my favorite looks I have created. Anyway, you can definitely change up the lip color or the jewelry or the hair. I tried something different and I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I'm gonna list all the product details down in the description box below. But also another thing, if you don't have all the products I have used today, you can definitely shop, and if you don't want to, use whatever you have, okay? So you can definitely use a blush for your eye makeup. You can definitely use an eye makeup for your blush, contour, highlight, whatever you like. So thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys on my next video, which is tomorrow for the day 3 look. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this crisp videos with minimum products, and also to subscribe to my channel and help me reach 60k subscribers before Durga Puja, please. Anyway, so see you guys tomorrow. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.